Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini 2.0 Flash and Pro for free. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your web browser, and in the Google search engine you have to type in Google AI Studio. Hit enter. You will see this icon. You have to click on the top search result. You will land on Google AI Studio. Click on sign in with Google. Now this page will open. From here, you have two options. It's time to use Google AI Studio, build with the Gemini API. So I will close this for now. I will accept everything. Now, you have to click on Create Prompt. Now, in this section, if you want to use Gemini 2.0 Pro or Flash, what you have to do is go to the model section, which is on the right side. Click on the drop-down menu. As you can see, the Gemini 2.0 Flash is already selected by default, and I can use it for free from here. For instance, I will ask a question to 2.0 Flash. Let's see what it has to offer us. As you can see, it has given me an answer and I'm using, and this answer has been generated with the help of 2.0 Flash. So if I click on the drop-down menu and swipe down just a bit, as you can see, we have Gemini 2.0 Flash as well. It is an experimental, so I will click on it and I will type in the same prompt once again, and this time it will give me answers with the help of 2.0 Flash. As you can see, the both answers are different, and that's basically how you can use Google Gemini 2.0 Flash and Pro for free. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.